Check out these kitchen gadgets for making fabulous food. Embark on a culinary adventure with these 7 food gadgets that'll enhance your kitchen experience and help you create mouth-watering meals. 1. The Ninja Grill is an indoor countertop grill and air fryer with a sleek and updated design. It features the Smart Cook system and thermometer that allows you to achieve perfect doneness, from rare to well done, with 4 protein settings and 9 customizable doneness levels. The grill grate has an XL family-sized capacity that can fit up to 6 steaks, 24 hot dogs, mains and sides, and more simultaneously. 2. The Vortex Plus is an all-in-one gadget that offers 6 different functionalities, including air frying, roasting, broiling, baking, reheating, and dehydrating. With its clear cook window and internal light, you can easily monitor the cooking progress without opening the basket. EvenCrisp technology ensures that your food has a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. 3. The Crock-Pot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker. The slow cooker allows you to cook your favorite meals that serve 9+ people or fit a 7-pound roast. The Crock-Pot allows you to set the cooking time to high and get a hot meal quickly, or set it on low, and tonight's dinner can cook while you're at work. 4. The PHILIPS fully automatic espresso machine with Latte milk frother. The espresso machine features a 15-bar pump pressure for the perfect brew and an adjustable spout height ranging from 85 to 145 mm for customizable cups. The aroma seal ensures freshness, while guided descaling simplifies maintenance. 5. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. The Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker is a kitchen marvel that simplifies meal preparation with its versatile functionality. This appliance lets you pressure cook, slow cook, and use it as a rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and food warmer. With 13 customizable smart programs, it offers one-touch cooking for a wide range of dishes, from ribs and soups to desserts and more. 6. The Bayka French press coffee maker is the perfect choice for coffee lovers who want to enjoy a delicious cup of coffee in just 4 minutes. This innovative coffee maker allows you to brew your coffee at home or on the go. The stylish design of the French press can be an ideal upgrade to your home decor and adds a touch of sophistication to your coffee experience. 7. The ThermoPro 500 feet wireless meat thermometer is the ideal grilling gadget for anyone who loves outdoor cooking. With its extended remote range of up to 500 FT, this wireless thermometer with dual probes lets you monitor your food or oven/grill/smoker temperatures from a distance. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it. Hey, you can also check the links in the description if you want to get one of these kitchen gadgets.